Good evening. I'm going to show you all how I have started making freeze pops. It started off as a little joke, but now it's something that I have found myself doing pretty often. And that is, this is a original freeze pop. And I would eat 6 or 7 of these. Just, just out of habit. Eat 6 or 7 of these. I would have the leftover container, so I would refreeze it with something Gatorade, Powerade, or some tea. And this is one that has been resealed. I still eat 6 or 7 of these, or would put down 6 or 7 of these. So I started making larger ones from the ceiling bags. And this is one of the larger ones. This is just showing you a size comparison. And this one here. So this is the larger ones. And then I started making larger ones. This one here. And this one is Powerade. It's a little larger. And then I started making larger ones. So I would go through one of those, or 2 of those, 3 of those, and sometimes 4 of these. So I'm gonna show you how I make these, okay? I use the roll bag. This is 8 inches here. And I'm gonna measure where my length is gonna be from here to here. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut it, well, on this little line right here. I'm gonna cut it on that line. Now, since that piece is cut, I won't have 3 sections. So I'm gonna cut this piece right here and this piece right here. Once I cut this piece, I'm gonna go ahead and seal this, because if you cut it again, you're gonna have 2 loose pieces. Remember, 2 loose pieces. So seal it, and when you cut this piece, you won't have that loose piece. Seal this. Cut this. Seal, seal, seal. You have all of these sides are closed now. What you want to do is close the bottom. So I'm gonna everybody know how to make one of these bags. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I'm gonna do 2 on this one. A double whammy. Okay. And I did it. Okay, we're good to go. I'm gonna fill this one with tea. Sometimes I like to just drink tea. And have my little cup of tea. I want to fill it to around right there. Because when you close it, it's gonna seal here. And the bottom is going to push that up. I did tilt the machine just a little, and here, I told you the bottom is going to seal up. There you have it. And you put this in the freezer and you have your cool pop. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.